Hey everyone, looking for the best blender for crushing ice like a pro? In today's video, I'm reviewing the top 6 best blenders for ice crushing in 2026 that deliver powerful performance for smoothies, frozen drinks, shakes, and more. Whether you're a fitness fan, home cook, or tech lover, these blenders can handle tough ingredients with ease. Let's find the perfect blender for your kitchen setup. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product smart kitchen reviews. Product number 1. Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Blender. The Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Blender is one of the most popular choices for ice crushing, thanks to its impressive 1100-watt motor and versatile design. I really like how effortlessly it turns solid ice cubes into smooth, snow-like textures, making it perfect for frozen drinks, smoothies, protein shakes, and margaritas. The total crushing blades provide strong blending performance while keeping operations simple and user-friendly. Another thing that stands out is the large 72-ounce pitcher, which is ideal for families or meal prep. It also includes convenient single-serve cups, allowing you to blend and go without extra cleanup. For tech lovers and fitness fans, this blender offers an excellent combination of power, speed, and affordability. If you want a high-performance blender without spending premium Vitamix-level money, the Ninja BL660 is easily one of the best blenders for ice crushing available today.
Product number 2. Vitamix Ascent X4 Blender. The Vitamix Ascent X4 Blender is built for serious blending performance and premium kitchen experiences. This powerful blender handles ice crushing with incredible consistency, producing ultra-smooth frozen drinks, smoothies, and desserts in seconds. I'm especially impressed by the advanced motor power and smart blending technology that automatically adjusts settings for better results. One of the biggest advantages of the Ascent X4 is its modern design, combined with professional-grade durability. The touchscreen controls feel sleek and intuitive, making it perfect for tech enthusiasts who love smart kitchen appliances. It also features variable speed control, allowing precise texture customization for different recipes. Home cooks will appreciate how versatile this blender is for soups, nut butter, sauces, and frozen treats. Although it comes with a premium price tag, the performance, durability, and blending quality easily justify the investment. If you want one of the most advanced ice crushing blenders in 2026, the Vitamix Ascent X4 is a top-tier option.
Product number 3. Vitamix 750 Blender. The Vitamix 750 blender remains one of the most trusted high-performance blenders for crushing ice and creating silky smoothies. I personally love how powerful and reliable this machine feels during everyday use. Its professional-grade motor easily breaks down ice, frozen fruit, and hard ingredients without slowing down or leaving chunks behind. What makes the Vitamix 750 special is its pre-programmed blending settings that simplify operation for busy users. Whether you're preparing frozen cocktails, healthy shakes, or creamy soups, the blender consistently delivers smooth results. The low-profile container also fits nicely under most kitchen cabinets, which is a huge plus for home cooks with limited space. Fitness fans will appreciate how quickly it blends protein smoothies and nutrient-packed drinks. The build quality is outstanding, designed to last for years, even with heavy daily use. If you want a premium blender known for power, durability, and excellent ice-crushing performance, the Vitamix 750 is a fantastic choice. Product number 4. Hamilton Beach Power Elite 58148 Blender. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite 58148 Blender is an affordable blender that performs surprisingly well for ice crushing and smoothie making. If you're on a budget but still want reliable blending performance, this model is definitely worth considering. I like how simple and beginner-friendly the controls are, making it easy for anyone to prepare frozen drinks or quick smoothies. The Wave Action System continuously pulls ingredients down into the blades for smoother blending results. While it may not compete with premium high-end blenders, it handles ice and frozen fruit much better than expected for the price. Its lightweight design also makes storage and cleaning more convenient. Home cooks who want an inexpensive blender for occasional smoothies, frozen coffee drinks, and simple kitchen tasks will appreciate this model. For students, small kitchens, or first-time buyers, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite delivers solid value. It's one of the best budget-friendly blenders for ice crushing available right now.
Product number 5, Braun MQ9187XL MultiQuick 9 Hand Blender. The Braun MQ9187XL MultiQuick 9 Hand Blender offers a unique approach to blending with its powerful handheld design and versatile attachments. I really enjoy how convenient it is for quick blending tasks without needing a large countertop machine. Despite being a hand blender, it performs impressively well when crushing ice for smoothies, shakes, and frozen recipes. Its active blade technology increases blending efficiency by moving the blade up and down for smoother and faster results. The Smart Speed control also gives you precise power adjustment depending on your blending needs. Fitness fans will love how quickly it prepares protein shakes and healthy drinks with minimal cleanup afterward. This blender is also great for soups, sauces, whipped cream, and food prep, making it a versatile kitchen tool for home cooks. If you want portability, flexibility, and strong blending performance in a compact package, the Braun MQ9187XL is one of the best handheld blenders for ice crushing and daily kitchen use.
Product number 6, All-in-One Blender. The All-in-One Blender is designed for users who want versatility, convenience, and strong everyday blending performance. I like how this blender combines multiple kitchen functions into one compact appliance, making it ideal for busy home cooks and smoothie lovers. From crushing ice to preparing frozen drinks, soups, sauces, and shakes, it handles a wide range of recipes efficiently. Its powerful motor and durable stainless steel blades make ice crushing smooth and consistent. The multifunction settings also simplify operation, especially for beginners who want easy one-touch blending. Tech lovers will appreciate the modern controls and practical design that saves kitchen space while delivering reliable results. For fitness enthusiasts, this blender is excellent for protein smoothies and frozen fruit blends. Cleanup is usually quick, and the compact build fits comfortably in most kitchens. If you're searching for a flexible blender that can perform multiple tasks while still crushing ice effectively, the All-in-One Blender is a strong all-around option. Thanks for watching my top 6 best blenders for ice crushing 2026 review. I hope this video helped you find the perfect blender for smoothies, frozen drinks, and everyday kitchen use. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check the links below for prices and more details.